For years, Linux users have enjoyed advantages that Windows and macOS users could only dream about. Complete control, open-source transparency, unmatched customization, powerful security, and the freedom to shape the operating system however they wanted. But despite all of those strengths, there were always certain features that felt a little too complicated for everyday users. Some tasks required terminal commands, configuration files, and technical knowledge that could scare away newcomers. That gap between raw power and user-friendly convenience was often considered one of Linux's biggest challenges. Now, however, a new wave of Linux development is changing that perception completely. Across modern Linux distributions, developers are introducing features that combine extreme power with incredible simplicity. One feature in particular has captured the attention of users, content creators, system administrators, and developers because of how dramatically it changes the Linux experience. In fact, many people are joking that it feels almost illegal because it gives users a level of control and flexibility that simply doesn't exist on most mainstream operating systems. The feature attracting so much attention is the growing implementation of atomic updates, system snapshots, and instant rollback technology across major Linux distributions. While the concept itself has existed in various forms for years, recent developments have transformed it from a niche capability into something practical and accessible for everyday users. What makes it so powerful is that it fundamentally changes the relationship users have with their operating systems. Traditionally, updating a computer always involved some level of risk. Whether you were using Windows, macOS, or Linux, there was always a chance that an update could introduce bugs, break applications, create compatibility issues, or even make the system unstable. Users learned to live with that uncertainty because there was rarely a simple way to reverse everything instantly. Modern Linux distributions are now solving that problem in a way that feels almost magical. Imagine installing a major system update. The update modifies hundreds or even thousands of system files. After rebooting, you discover that something isn't working properly. On most operating systems, fixing the problem could involve troubleshooting for hours, reinstalling software, restoring backups, or waiting for developers to release patches. With atomic updates and rollback systems, the solution can be as simple as selecting a previous system snapshot and rebooting. Within seconds, your entire operating system returns to its exact previous state. Every system file, every configuration, and every component reverts as if the update never happened. It feels less like traditional software maintenance and more like time travel. This capability is becoming increasingly popular in distributions such as Fedora Atomic variants, openSUSE Aeon, NixOS, and various Immutable Linux projects. These systems treat the operating system differently from traditional Linux distributions. Instead of modifying the live system directly, updates are prepared separately and activated only when ready. If something goes wrong, users can instantly switch back to the previous version. The impact of this approach extends far beyond updates. Software experimentation becomes dramatically safer. Users can test new configurations, install cutting-edge packages, modify system settings, and explore advanced features without the constant fear of permanently damaging their installations. Knowing that an instant rollback is available changes user behavior entirely. For beginners, this removes one of the biggest psychological barriers to learning Linux. New users often worry that a mistake could break their system. That fear discourages experimentation and slows learning. When recovery becomes nearly effortless, users gain confidence to explore, customize, and understand their systems more deeply. Developers are benefiting as well. Testing software across different configurations becomes easier when system states can be restored instantly. Instead of rebuilding environments manually after every test cycle, developers can return to known good states within moments. This saves time, reduces frustration, and improves productivity. System administrators are perhaps seeing the most dramatic benefits. Managing large numbers of Linux machines has always involved balancing stability against the need for updates and security patches. Rollback technology allows administrators to deploy updates with far greater confidence. If problems appear after deployment, recovery can be immediate rather than requiring lengthy troubleshooting sessions. The reason many users describe this feature as feeling illegal is because of how much control it provides compared to traditional operating systems. On Windows, users frequently encounter updates that install automatically, sometimes causing unexpected changes or issues. Rolling back major updates is often possible but can be complicated and limited. On macOS, users generally trust Apple's update process, but rollback options remain relatively restricted. Linux is now offering something fundamentally different. Users remain in control at every stage. Updates can be reviewed, delayed, applied, reverted, or customized according to individual preferences. The operating system becomes something users command rather than something that dictates behavior. Another aspect making this technology so powerful is its contribution to system reliability. Many Linux distributions adopting immutable designs separate user data from core system components. Applications run in isolated environments, reducing the likelihood that software installations will accidentally interfere with critical system files. This architecture creates systems that are simultaneously more secure and easier to maintain. Security benefits are particularly significant. Because system files are protected and changes occur in controlled ways, malware and unauthorized modifications face greater obstacles. Attack surfaces shrink, and system integrity becomes easier to verify. Security-conscious users appreciate the added protection without sacrificing flexibility. The rise of containerized applications further amplifies these advantages. Technologies such as Flatpak allow software to run independently of the core operating system. Applications can be updated separately, permissions can be managed more precisely, and conflicts between software packages become less common. Combined with immutable operating systems and rollback functionality, the result is a computing environment that feels remarkably resilient. Many observers believe this represents a major shift in Linux evolution. Historically, Linux was often viewed as the operating system for enthusiasts willing to trade convenience for power. Modern developments challenge that assumption. Users increasingly gain both power and convenience simultaneously. What's especially interesting is how quickly these innovations are spreading. Features once limited to enterprise servers are now reaching desktop users. Concepts pioneered in advanced Linux environments are becoming standard expectations. As distributions compete to improve user experience, technologies like snapshots, atomic updates, and rollback systems continue gaining momentum. NixOS deserves special mention in this conversation because it pushes the concept even further. NixOS uses a declarative configuration model that allows entire systems to be described through configuration files. Users define what they want their systems to look like, and the operating system builds itself accordingly. Every configuration change becomes reproducible, trackable, and reversible. For many users, the first experience with NixOS or similar technologies feels revolutionary. Reinstalling a system no longer means manually recreating settings over hours or days. Instead, users can restore complete environments from configuration files in a predictable and repeatable manner. This level of control is almost unheard of in mainstream operating systems. The implications for the future of computing are enormous. As hardware becomes more powerful and storage becomes cheaper, maintaining multiple system states becomes increasingly practical. Operating systems can prioritize reliability without sacrificing performance. Users can enjoy greater freedom while experiencing fewer disruptions. This trend also highlights one of Linux's greatest strengths: community-driven innovation. Unlike proprietary ecosystems where major decisions are controlled by a single corporation, Linux development occurs across countless independent projects. Ideas emerge, evolve, compete, and improve through collaboration. Successful innovations spread rapidly because developers can learn from one another and build upon existing work. The result is an ecosystem capable of adapting remarkably quickly. When a promising technology appears, developers across the Linux world can experiment with it, refine it, and integrate it into different distributions. Users benefit from rapid innovation while retaining freedom of choice. Some analysts believe these features could significantly influence Linux adoption over the coming years. Reliability has always been a critical factor for mainstream users. People want systems that simply work. They want updates that don't create problems. They want recovery options when mistakes occur. They want security without complexity. Modern Linux solutions address all of those concerns simultaneously. By combining immutable designs, atomic updates, snapshots, rollbacks, and containerized applications, Linux is creating an experience that feels both modern and uniquely empowering. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect is how invisible the technology can be. Users don't need to understand every technical detail to benefit from it. The complexity remains beneath the surface while the advantages become immediately obvious. Updates feel safer, recovery feels easier. Experimentation feels less risky. The system feels more dependable. That combination of simplicity and power is what makes this new Linux feature feel almost unbelievable. It takes capabilities once reserved for experts and makes them accessible to everyone. It transforms operating system management from a source of anxiety into a process that feels effortless. As more distributions embrace these technologies and continue refining their implementations, the gap between Linux and competing operating systems may continue to shrink in some areas while expanding dramatically in others. Users gain flexibility that Windows and Mac OS struggle to match, while simultaneously enjoying levels of stability and convenience previously associated with more controlled ecosystems. In many ways, this represents the next stage of Linux desktop evolution. The focus is no longer just on proving that Linux can compete. Instead, Linux is increasingly demonstrating that it can offer experiences unavailable anywhere else. Instant rollbacks, atomic updates, immutable systems, and reproducible configurations are not merely technical achievements. They redefine what users can expect from their computers. And that is why so many people are looking at this new generation of Linux features and saying the same thing. This level of power feels almost illegal. Not because it breaks any rules, but because once you experience the ability to undo mistakes instantly, experiment fearlessly, recover from failures effortlessly, and remain completely in control of your system, it becomes difficult to imagine going back to anything less.